Hello, everyone. This is my presentation for my use case 4. My name is Nathan Kotas, and this presentation will be about a development on sustainable big data, strategy document with clear cause and effect relationships. I'm on team 3 with Mark, Freddie, myself, Sophie, and Savannah. And with that, we'll get right into it. So the first exercise, and including the second one as well, is the cause and effect relationship. A cause and effect relationship is a relationship in which an event makes another event happen. It can have several effects. And then the second piece to this is the 5 whys technique. And we thought that part of Toyota's production system was developed by Sakichi Toyota, which was a good example. And then the how to use it was when a problem occurs, you drill down to its root cause by asking why 5 times. Then when a countermeasure becomes apparent, you follow it through to prevent the issue from reoccurring. So for exercise 3, we created this fishbone template and filled it in. And this has 2 predictive and 2 prescriptive analytic storylines. And so the first one is, or the bigger picture is there's too much GHG emissions. And so we thought that coolers would be able to have hydrofluorocarbon and an efficient cooling system, and the costs are too high, which is the problem for that. And then energy usage um, has the lack of renewable energy sources, inefficient and cost of switching to renewable sources. And then distance of suppliers, which would be cost, it would have a cost of reduction in availability, and then it would also cause a transportation issue. And the last one is collection rate, which would have lack of opportunity and incentives, and it would also have consumer behavior and awareness issues. So for exercise 4, the first predictive storyline, for collection rate, the dependent variable would be GHG emissions, and the independent would be product sales, the amount that consumers recycle the bottles, and reusage rate of the bottles. And then the second one would be manufacturing energy usage in the next 9 to 12 months. And the dependent variable would again be GHG emissions, and the independent would be current sustainability practices, the production rate, and weather conditions could affect the efficiency of manufacturing. And then the prescriptive storyline, we said increasing education and infrastructure for collection would be important. And once again, the dependent variable is GHG emissions, and the independent would be the level of education, advertisements, collection rate, and incentives. And then our fourth storyline was partnering with suppliers that had the same sustainability goals as Coca-Cola. And the dependent variable would again be GHG emissions, and the independent would be management at Coca-Cola, supplier ratings, and societal perspectives on the matter. And finally, exercise 5, our analytical models. Our team chose to stay consistent with previously selected analytical models to analyze Coca-Cola's data and the impact on GHG emissions. And the predictive storyline would be association rule and logistic regression. And this would be a tool that helps to discover meaningful relationships between variables in the data sets as well as frequently occurring patterns. And also, it would predict the outputs. And then the prescriptive would be symbol models. And this would be ways to determine what a company should do by analyzing different models and finding the best opportunities based on those results. And with that, that completes my use case 4 presentation, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation.